Okay, I'm about to measure and do adjustments, so I just installed the TDK-D90 tape. What I will be doing, let's do calibration first. Let's see. Let's put in the middle bias levels. So source tape is put on auto, and let's do verify how it may calibrate. Okay, I see bias a little bit high, adjusting, and level. Okay, it still can adjust pretty well. However, what I would do, I would properly see the levels, try to record something. Okay, here we go. Here are all levels. Let's do it's -20. Okay, -20. Let's check tape source. Yeah, 0.3 decibel difference of the record level. We may try to adjust it. It's like pretty hard to get through. I believe I would need like a non-metal screwdriver to do this. Like I can live with 0.3 decibel for now. Okay, this means that our calibrator works properly. And let's see the levels for the high frequency. So 10 kilohertz. And it's almost there by 1 decimal difference between channel. And what is more important, if you see on the oscilloscope, so it still keeps the phase. That's good. So that means that head block has been done properly. Let's adjust bias a little bit for the our bias. We need to adjust starting from the chrome tape. So let's start from the chrome tape with bias adjustments, and then we will do normal and metal. Okay. First of all, put bias position in the middle. Here. Okay, it shows type 2 tape. Let's get back to 300 Hz and check levels. So tape, source. Let's see, source. So tape a little bit lower. So I will just a little bit adjust on the levels. So now it doesn't change. Or it does. Still a little bit more. Like that. Yeah. Now it keeps level the same. Let's see 10 kilohertz. Source and tape, yeah, so it's false a little bit, so let me see bias was for tape 2. Okay, one channel. Oh, it was a Chix Pro, so let's use Chix Pro. Doesn't look like now. Okay, let's fix other levels first. One channel. And the other channel. Okay. Now we have good value in the middle. Let's see. Okay. Between 300 gears and 10 kilogears, 300 gears, there is no difference in the level. We are flat now. Okay, now I'm ready to adjust type 1. Kilogears, 300 gears, a half decibel difference. Okay, let's adjust a little bit. And it goes next to these guys. I don't see any change. Nice for type 1. It's tape and it's type 1. And it's according to instructions, service manual. For some reason it doesn't change. Interesting. It's metal. Here is a type 1. Yeah, here it goes. Okay, now we have it for type 1. Now it's yeah, good. We did for type 1. Now let's set this for type 4 tape. Okay, this is 300 gears, and this is multi-screw up. Okay, here's the channel. Okay, now there is no difference between 300 and 10 kilogears. Now we have proper bias. Let's check screw. Check screw has an issue now. I'm not seeing a difference with the check screw. On off. Okay, it's mostly there, like we just need to finish our check screw settings. Let's check on the type 1 tape. same here. Should be adjusting. But it doesn't. I don't know. Okay, let me understand how to adjust HX Pro, and I will get back to you. Okay, as I'm back. So I was reading this Japanese manual, and I will translate it for you. So first of all, you need to put all these 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6 potentiometers, which are responsible for bias, into the middle position, and HX Pro, one here and one here, into the middle position. Then you see this connector. You need to connect voltmeter. I used my multimeter, and I put it into 2-volt DC mode, and use it these wires to connect these wires into the connector there, and between point middle and left we are adjusting this coil here to make sure that we will achieve the minimum readings, and between middle and right point we adjusting this coil to achieve minimum readings. It's a bias consumption. That's how we should adjust it. Then we installing the chrome tape here and adjust bias these two potentiometers, and to make sure that when we record in 315 Hz and 10 kHz there would not be any difference. Then we install metal tape and adjust these two guys here for metal tape, and then for normal tape here. Condition when we tuning that HX Pro should be on. When we did tune up, we left the type 1 tape here, continue recording, and then tuning on and off HX Pro, and adjusting these ports here and this port here to make sure that readings on the 10 kHz would not change. That's it. There is a step to adjust levels for the output of generator for 8 kHz and 400 Hz, and there is, like, I believe there are 2 more ports here. Come on, this one and this one, which are responsible for the level on the calibrator. So that's how you may adjust it. It works. Just to make sure that it works, let's type 1 tape loaded. Let's record, and I'm currently recording minus 20 decibel approximately, and it's 10 kHz, and here is the readings. Okay, 10 kHz and there is 300 Hz, 10 kHz, 300 Hz, and now I will be, and it's HX Pro on, and this is HX Pro off, on, off, on, off. So there is no change there, how we need to adjust. And now let's verify the other tapes just to make sure that it will be the same. So HX Pro on, and it's chrome tape, and it's recording like that. So 300 Hz, 10 kHz, 300 Hz, 10 kHz, like half a decibel is fine. It's maybe. And let's check the final the metal tape to make sure that everything is correct. Okay, HX Pro, so 300 Hz, 10 kHz, 300 Hz, 10 kHz. And let's do the same with HX Pro. Off, on, off, on. That's a properly tuned deck, and that's how you should do it. So I didn't record it because it was a tricky process. I had to translate from Japanese, and I used my phone as a translator. But now we are good to go. Let's check our calibrator. And the only difference on the level, you see, bias is fine. So a little bit on the level, just in, boom, here. And now we see that it shows minus 23 decibels. So, and this deck shows 0 as a -3. So everything is properly tuned up. Good. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next part.